All right, Johnny. Now tell me how that bag feels. Show it. Show the bag. Show the bag. Show the bag to the camera up a little more. Okay?
It feels empty.
Okay. Okay, so, and show them that it's not opened. Oh,
Not
up
open.
here. A little more up here.
Not open.
Okay.
Fully sealed.
Okay, move it to the side a little bit. Okay. All right. Now open it. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, so much. There's so many chips.
Look at that.
We got ripped off.
There's one
Chip. Just one.
little tiny chip and a crumb. The other ones aren't empty like this, though, that I know of. So, that is, hold it right there. So, this was the 50 pack. There's supposed to be an ounce. And I bought them on Amazon. That's crazy. Okay, that was really funny, I guess.